most of all, he could not stop thinking about his now former client, Cindy Summer. She was very likely to spend the rest of her life in prison. To have been bewildered at the of a new trial for Cindy, felt as if a huge weight had been lifted.
Judge Dove's decision may have restored my faith in the criminal justice system. Maybe I will continue practicing.
And your faith in yourself, maybe?
I've never doubted that I'm a good lawyer in the sense that I care. That's 95% of being a lawyer. I'm certainly not the most eloquent lawyer. And I have mannerisms that some jurors just don't like. But no, I haven't lost any faith.
Is one potential. It could be a number of different things, but I can tell you that the results that they found.
You thought those tissues could be the key to this case, and if they were missing, you wanted to know why.
It's hot. The trail isn't so bad. There's a lot more bugs because it's hot. It is 90 degrees down, but up here it's a little bit cooler now. See that beautiful tree? so I can see some view. It's beautiful. Again, when we hike, this is what we come here for, the nice view and also the exercise. There's people there. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Stuff's not real. There's like a fly. Ready? It is getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. That means we're getting close to the parking lot. Exciting part of hiking is seeing the parking lot. It's true. Oh, we made it. Barely ever rolled my ankle. But I've never been so happy to see our car. Goodness. Thank you for watching.